North Carolina, one of the larger towns, Charlotte. This experience, as far as being in Puerto Vallarta for a hip replacement, has been absolutely great. Everything that was told by the management has happened. There's been really no disappointments whatsoever. The value is probably the strongest selling feature this company has. So I can say quantitatively that if you're looking for value, this is the company you want to do business with. And I think you can really take it to the bank. I really do. They offer a level of service that I don't think you'll find anywhere else in this price range. So feel free to contact me anytime. I'll be more than happy to talk one-on-one with anyone. This is a good company, and if you're afraid or have other questions, do your due diligence. You will find out good value. The value in Mexico is second to none. The surgical care, the medical facilities are fantastic. So I would highly recommend you give them due consideration. And if you're looking for great doctors, I have never had the experience with a doctor. I believe his name was Dr. Greig. This guy has a passion for what he does. He's compassionate with the patients. The feeling of security and comfort is incredible. So I strongly encourage you to consider using